everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we have a 4-part unboxing series, which is super exciting. I got 13 planes because they combined some of my orders, but we don't want to do them all at once. So what's going to happen is every single day I'm going to post a new review of a model plane, and we're going to do 4 days to start out, and then we'll do some more in the future. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, like button, and notification bell to not miss out on any of my future videos in this series. And in the middle of the series, we will also have an NG Models new release video coming out. With no further ado, let's get started. One more thing. In the series, I will give hints to what the last plane is going to be, which is kind of a special plane in each series. So make sure you watch to the end of the video because the hint will be at the end. So opening up our box, our first model will be the United Express ERJ175. Now let's go see this thing in detail. Alright, here it is, everybody. The United ERJ175. Front of the box with Gemini Jets, their slogan, and then the Embraer logo along with the United logo. The top and bottom of the box look something like this. Both the sides look like this. And then we have the classic back of the Gemini Jets. Going inside the box, here we have the model. It's looking nice. And then we have, pause the video right now if you want to read the description. Actually pretty interesting. I read this one, I liked it. A couple of just facts about it. And then we have the length, height, and wingspan. Alright, I'm gonna let you walk through the reflection unboxing, but it's not too exciting, so just give me 1 second. But I'll just tell you about a bit why I got this aircraft. So, first of all, I love the new United logo livery. I think it just looks absolutely amazing. And I really did like it a lot. Other reasons, I can use it in one of my airport updates that is coming up. It's not going to be coming soon, but I guarantee you it will be coming, and you should definitely turn on your notification bell for that. I just think the ERJ175 is a really cool plane. If I had to be a pilot, that might be one of the planes that I definitely consider flying. But with no further ado, let's get into the detailed review here. Okay. There we go. Okay. Here we have the nose cone, along with the windshield and the wipers. There we have the Star Alliance logo, along with the rolling landing gear. And then we have the forward boarding door. And down here, yeah, you guys can read it, Express Jet Airlines. And I know I skipped over this. If you guys know what is here, hit me up in the comments. I'm not sure what this says though. The normal classic United Express logo, along with those little tiny engines. And we have the nice winglet here, which looks really nice. The registration is N605UX. And we have our back boarding door, along with our beautiful United wing. And Gemini Jets really does a good job with the United tail wing. Even to how they faded up at the top, which makes it look super realistic. I think Gemini Jets did a really nice job with that. Kind of going around to the other side here. Like usual, most of the same stuff. The fade out, the registration. I'll give you a little view of that wingtip. It looks good. Yeah. And then United Express along with Star Alliance logo. And that good stuff. Here's an up-top view of the plane. Here's a little scale factor really quickly. I'm going to zoom out a bit. But this is my finger, I'll put it on back here. This is my finger right here. So it's probably about the size of my pointer finger, long. And so it's tiny, but for how tiny it is, Gemini Jets puts some of the best detail into this. I mean, you can read Express Jet Airlines. It's operated by ExpressJet. What else? A couple small things. You can see a tiny bit of upward wing flex. The wings kind of just tilt up. The scimitars look good, really good. And then here's a bottom landing gear sense of view. You got your double configuration with double tires, and then you have your forward landing gear. Now, Gemini Jets doesn't really do this on a lot of their models, but you can see, let's see if we can get it there, right there. There's the Gemini Jets logo. The Gemini Jets logo is right there. And then right below that, you have the Wi-Fi antenna. Let's see, there you go, now you can see it. Right below that is the Wi-Fi antenna. Because this does not have a top Wi-Fi antenna, Gemini just had to put it on the bottom, but normally they don't, so it's something kind of just a little bit different. Maybe we can end here with some just views around the aircraft. I got this from Collectible Jets. This was not sponsored by Collectible Jets. This is my own money, but they have amazing discounts if you're trying to start out and getting good planes for amazing prices. You might want to check them out. Like I said, this video is not sponsored by them, though. All right, everybody, there you have it. United ERJ 175 from United Express, operated by ExpressJet Airlines. The hint for this video is to the last model in this unboxing series is going to be this aircraft was retired due to COVID. Well, no, not due to COVID, but in COVID times. Hit me up in the comments if you have any ideas for what you think this aircraft is going to be. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like button, and notification bell to not miss out on any other ones in this unboxing series. Tell me if you have the United Express ERJ 175 or if you're planning to get it. It is a really great model. It looks really good too. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.